Hello, my name is Chris Joyce and this is my CS50 Python project. The aim of this project was to make a graphical user interface which allows the user to enter categorical data into a 2x2 table and calculate statistical significance, either with a chi-square test or a Fisher's exact test. The program is opened using a command line interface such as terminal. When the program is opened, a suitably sized window is displayed. For the sake of this demonstration, I have enlarged the window so you can see it better. The title of the window is 2x2 contingency table. At the top of the table are two column headings which can be modified. At the left-hand side of the table are two row headings which can also be modified. There are four data fields into which either 0 or a positive integer can be entered. The program will not accept other types of data. Once the data has been entered and checked, the Confirm Data button is clicked. This will automatically calculate and display the row and column totals, as well as displaying two buttons, the chi-square button and the Fisher's exact button. When the chi-square button is clicked, the results of this test are displayed in the information area at the bottom of the window, including the chi-square value, the p-value, and the level of significance of the p-value. If the Fisher's exact button is clicked, the results of this test are displayed, including the p-value and the level of significance of the p-value. Some error checking is built into the program. If a data field is empty and the Confirm Data button is clicked, the row totals and the chi-square and Fisher's exact buttons will disappear. An error message is displayed in the information area. Now, let us look at some different data. The chi-square test is invalid if any of the expected values that are calculated are less than 5. If this occurs, an error message will be displayed in the information section. Of course, the Fisher exact test is valid with small numbers, so it is the appropriate analysis when numbers are small. Now your statistical analysis is done. This was CS50 Python.